Good day, everyone. I am Jonathan Bitagan, representing to you the sales report normalization for the Oracle database. Database normalization is a process used for data modeling or data creation where you organize your data and tables so it can be added and updated efficiently. The first normal form. This form requires that all columns values are atomic, meaning a single cell must not hold more than one value. There should be a primary key for identification, no duplicated rows or columns, and each column must have only one value for each row in the table. The second normal form. A table is in second normal form if it is in first normal form, and all non-key attributes are fully functionally dependent on the primary key. This helps to prevent data redundancy and anomalies. The third normal form. The third normal form must be dependent only on the primary key, and no non-key attribute should depend on another non-key attribute. Normalization helps to make the database more efficient, prevent data redundancy, ensure data accuracy, reduce storage space, and ensure that queries in a database run as fast as possible. Without normalization, the data can be slow, incorrect, and messy. So this is the first normalization form for this sales report. This is the second normal form. This table is in second normal form as it is in first normal form. And all non-key attributes are fully functionally dependent on the primary key. This table shows four tables: the item, salesperson, the sales, and transaction, each with attributes that are fully dependent on their respective primary keys. The attributes. For example, the item table includes attributes like item ID, integer, the name, varchar, the description, text, and price double, where item ID is the primary key. The primary key. Each table has a primary key indicated with P key, ensuring that other attributes in the table are related to this key. In essence, second normal form helps in reducing data redundancy and improving data integrity by ensuring that each attribute is related to the and there is no partial dependency. This is the third normal form table. This table is in third normal form as it is in second normal form, and all its attributes are not only fully functionally dependent on the primary key, but also non-transitively dependent, meaning no transitive dependencies. The table is in three normal form. The table shows four tables: the items, salesperson, the sales, and transaction, with attributes that are functionally dependent only on their respective primary keys. The foreign keys. The sales tables includes foreign keys indicated by F key that represents the primary keys of the item and transaction table, establishing relationship between them. In summary, the third normalization form is a crucial step in database design that ensures data is stored logically, minimizes redundancy, and supports efficient data retrieval. So that's all